So, there's 48,000 people in this country, yeah? So that means everybody in the country's kind of here tonight. It's kind of cool, isn't it, lads?
Let's go. Me too.
Right, well, when we landed today in the airport, there was a guy who drove us here. And we're going to take him on stage now. Have you got him, Gary? Where's he gone? Come on up to the stage, Gary, if you can ring this guy up, right? He's from the Faroe Islands, so he's a native of here. And he's going to do something very special. He might be taking his clothes off. You never know. But this is going to be cool. I believe this is kind of... Here we are. I need the mic, lads. There you go. What's your name?
Carl.
Carl. Give it up for Carl, everybody. Carl. What you're about to do, is this local to here? Is this native to Faroe Islands?
Sorry?
Is this native to the Faroe? Is this like a thing that they do here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so we need some silence. Carl, are you ready for this?
Guess so.
Okay, take it away. The stage is yours, man. Shh, everybody be quiet.
Puzzlebox Bowling!
Is that it?
Started here now, there. Puzzlebox Bowling!
Okay, what does that mean?
Come on, man, everyone. The place here is Voxbogle. Like I said, come on.
Okay, no, that's not what I want you to do. What I want you to do is yodel. Carl, don't go away.
Yodeling.
Stand here, Carl. Come on.
Come on, Carl.
Somebody tells me that Carl is a very good yodeler. Carl, you ready, Carl? So, Carl is now going to yodel for us, everybody. All right.
No pressure at all. Nobody's watching.
That's a cough. That's a cough, everybody.
Yodeling, yodeling.